Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video, it's not a cooking video again. Today I had to make a few errands in town, so I decided to take you guys along for the ride with me. Alright, so I hope you guys gonna enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And also tomorrow is gonna be the 1st of December, and guys, I will be doing Vlogmas this year. Alright, I will be doing Vlogmas on this channel and also on my other channel, Natural Afton. Don't worry, your girl is well prepared. Alright, I'm also gonna be doing like keto dishes, Guyanese dishes. I'll just mix it up for you guys. Alright, so I hope you guys come back every day to see what video I put out. Alright, but today is just a vlog. I had to make a few spins, so I take you guys along to show you a little bit of what Guyana have to offer. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. See you tomorrow. Alright guys, so my first stop is at the post office. I have to come here to collect my little shingling. So here goes. I'm here at the post office. Yeah, I'm the last person. Thank God I don't have a crowd. As you can see, I have few empty seats. So I have about 4 persons in front of me, and then I'll go next. Alright guys, so I just finished with the post office. So I'm heading in town now, and I'll take you guys along with me. So here goes. So right now I'm heading down Avenue. Heading to town to buy lunch for my mom and my baby. So now I'm turning into Hatfield Street. I'm taking a shortcut. Straight down. Alright guys, so I just reached the place to buy the food. So I have to put on my mask. I'm trying to put it on with one hand. Oh my god. Here it goes. Guys, I'm now headed down Camp Street. I went to the other food place just now, but they had nothing proper to eat, so I'm gonna go to this place on Camp Street. Roosters. They usually have nice stuff to eat, but the problem is getting a parking. Oh lordy. Parking will be the problem. Oh, I think I see a parking here. Yeah, I see a parking. Thank God. So I had to go around the block and around again. So I'm gonna park right here. Parking here. So I just got the food for my mom and my baby. So I'm headed down now to Matai supermarket to just grab a few things as well. Alright, so see you at Matai. At the traffic lights, I'm gonna turn now into street called Middle Street. I just reached Matai, so I'm going to have to put on my mask. So here you go guys, let's go. I'm coming, right? Come in. First thing I'm gonna grab is the snack food. So I'm gonna buy this toilet seat for my baby. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this toilet seat for him. Yes, I need some napkin balls. Yeah. I'm gonna buy a pack of these here. Put them on the bottom there. $50. Okay. These are cheap sponge, so I'm gonna buy them. Section is great. Here is some different breeds. I need some cucumber. This cucumber looks pretty. Alright, I'm gonna take this cucumber here. Purple cabbage here, $2.70. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this piece here. So tiny pine, okay, $1.15 back. Take that. Sweet pepper. Lettuce. We look for a good bag. This one is lunch today. Some lettuce and some barbecue chicken. That's about here. What is this? I'll pour that. Alright, let's continue shopping. We have cheese here, so I'm gonna pick up this block of cheese. Check the carbs for this. Ooh, Lord, am I seeing so much carbs? I can't buy that. They don't even have the carbs in it.
Are you?
I want another video. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, okay. Shopping, so I'm in the line out to cash. To these nuts. How much carbs they have. Total carbs 5 to 4. This nut here is super friendly. Alright, so I'm gonna pick up 2. I'm here waiting for cash. Guys, I'm here waiting for cash. I'm next. I'm leaving this Matai supermarket now. You remember me?
Oh yeah.
I went here last week.
How much you buy?
2.
Another 5,000 in here.
Boy,
One
stop
ten.
it. Why the hell I do with all the fear?
Here for Jimmy, man.
I buy 2 and you give me for 7 until the last time.
Where are the tomatoes you got? Like when these things the mango in season, you eat it then. When people come back, you use a lot of space because these times you're in South
Come
Africa.
to country.
I get 8 for 500. I get 8 mango for 500. So give me $1,000.
Guys, I'm headed over to Monishwar, but I'm looking for a parking. I'm looking for parking, which is very hard to find now. Lord of mercy. No parking here. What? Turn around right here and see. I hate coming in town. It's so hard to find a damn parking. Lord of mercy. I really need to get some stuff from Monishwar. Parking. No parking at all. I'll come around one more time again and see. There's a walk by itself. Reverse now because I'm on the pedestrian crossing on right now, so I have to reverse. Go back a little bit more. Off the pedestrian. To Monishwar now, guys. So I'll see you guys in Monishwar. So I'm in Monishwar, guys. I came to buy some plastic cups. Probably got the next row. We try over this row here. Plastic, but it's a soft plastic. I want the harder plastic. I wish it finished. This is for the stuffed egg. You put the stuffed egg in this here. I'm gonna buy one to put my stuffed egg inside. The price is $2.25. Alright. I like pink, so I'm gonna buy a pink one. But where are the cups? Alright guys, so I just came out from Monishwar. I didn't get what I quite was looking for. So I'm heading now to where I'm going. Oh, I'm heading out to Campbellville area. So here goes. I'm here looking for ABC and number books for my baby. It's so hard to find. I'm not getting the hard one. It's the soft one. He could tear them up fast. So I'm trying to get the hard bottom one, but I'm not finding them. They're too soft. I'm trying to have any other way. I'm not seeing them. Jumbo book calling hard. Let me see. There's a big size beer and stuff. Guys, I went to Austin bookstore to look for some hardcover ABC books and number books for my baby, but I didn't find any, so I guess I'll come back another time. Oh. On to the next stop now. Oh, I'm so tired and hungry. Hi guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm here at Grill King buying a piece of chicken to go and eat with my lettuce and cheese. So guys, I got my barbecue chicken here. So I'm on my way home now. It's been a long day. I haven't ate anything because none of the stuff that I passed by here, so it wasn't healthy for me. And I'm on my keto diet, so when I go home, I'm gonna eat my barbecue with some lettuce and cheese. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I already ate my barbecue and my lettuce and my cheese. I did it off camera, sorry. I was so hungry I wasn't even thinking about the camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I did try my best, and also want to tell you guys that I will be uploading video every day in December. I will be doing Vlogmas, alright? So come back every day. And also, you guys can check out all my links. Will be in the description box down below. And also, I want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. I will also leave that link in the description box down below. Alright guys, so see you tomorrow. Bye guys. See you on Vlogmas. Yay!